It was a major safety hazard for students that News 13 sounded the alarm on in a special assignment. After our story aired, we're told the problem was finally fixed. Here's News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart.
It was a dangerous secret. News 13 exposed the problem on special assignment a year ago. Crown Point High School northeast of Gallup didn't have a working fire alarm system for months.
Does that concern you as a parent?
It does. It does, because my daughter attends, and so does my nephew, my nieces. They all attend that school.
Mariancita Jim says she knew about the problem and even tried talking to Crown Point Principal Curtis Clough about it with no luck. Then News 13 alerted the state's brand new fire marshal about the problem at Crown Point.
Is it in compliance with the fire code?
No, the system is completely non-working. It's going to need to be replaced completely.
That was last January. State Fire Marshal Don Shanin says school officials told him they suspect a lightning strike in 2017 caused the whole system to go down. Shanin says his office should have been notified back then. We learned the non-working alarm system dated back to 1998, and a new one would be expensive. Documents show the district got an estimate, which came back at almost $35,000. At the time, we were told it could be weeks before the system was fixed. The school says that work was done in late January 2018. But once again, Shanin's office says it should have been notified so the state can inspect and approve the plans.
There was no endangerment to the children that were attending the school, and there was just a lot of internal plans and communication issues, and I'm trying to streamline a lot of that.
Superintendent Mike Hyatt told us via email that the school's been working with the state to add additional components to the system and provide information, but the alarms have been working. A year after our original report, we're told the state fire marshal's office gave its final seal of approval after an inspection for Crown Point High School's fire alarm system.
On my side, I'm going to just try to make sure that we have better communication with the Navajo Nation and McKinley County and those that are involved in every step of the way on this process.
On special assignment, Gabrielle Burkhart, KRQE News 13.
The State Fire Marshal's office oversees every state school in New Mexico with regard to fire safety. But with limited inspectors, the state relies on the schools themselves to reach out if they have a problem.